Yeah, all right. Good morning. Good morning. Today is October 2nd, second day of October 2025. Just to begin the stream here, I gotta plug my mic 1 second. So, all right, beautiful. Um, I think the mic works now. I think the mic works. All right, wonderful. So today is September 2nd, 2025, and market just opened up here. Yesterday was a very crazy day. It was a very bullish day. It was quite bullish that the whole day I was waiting for the whole morning I was waiting for setup to form, and and there was nothing. It was not a typical day, a typical green day. So I was waiting for the whole morning for setup to form, and nothing came true. So I ended the stream not taking any trades. But after the stream, uh, then there was a setup that kind of formed there that I had to take trade with quite some caution there, and it was a few contracts, but it was something. It was profitable, and I made my profit. So on the back of that, you can see how this how the market went up here. You can see the climb. That this is not normal. There's barely any retracement or any significant retracement. This is a 15-minute chart, but you can see that on the 5-minute chart very clearly. So here we have today, and today already looks like might be some sort of cool off from this action. Though I actually doubt that, because looking at this 5-minute chart, you can easily see that this looks like it's gonna be going up, right? So this is just some form of weakness. This is just pure weakness. And even if you draw down to 1-minute chart, you can see look at this ranging price action here. This is just pure weakness. So my thesis for today, or what I was expecting for today, is that I'm bearish for today. I'm actually bearish for today, thinking that I'm hoping that today will be a bearish day. But if I don't see that, that's totally fine. We can chase the uptrend. That's absolutely fine. The reason why I say I'm bearish is because if you look at this price action, if you look at this, you quickly begin to see that there was no sort of refreshment. Maybe right here there was, but this went way too fast. And on the weekly, it looks like we might be at the top of the range anyway. That's what it looks like, and which this right here also makes sense. Again, looking at this, there's no trade. Even you can tell that this wants to go up, but for me, I don't trade at this time. I wait for clarity before I take a trade. There's no trade whatsoever for me on this, at least for now. I want to see what the price does. I want to see more. I want to see more clarity on the price before I can actually make any decision. And that's just that. So I'm just gonna be waiting for more price activity, for more price action to show itself before I can think about taking any trades. If it turns out to be a red day, then I may be chasing I could be chasing the uptrend, the upside, the reversal of that red day, unless there's a setup that allows me to go short, and I have to be comfortable with that setup before I can actually go short. So before I can actually think about going short, look at this. Quickly switched up a little bit, real quick there. All right, so right now it's just a waiting game, waiting for more price development, more price activity. It is what I'm going to be waiting for to see what happens here. And I believe Nasdaq is doing the same thing here, anyways. I believe Nasdaq is doing, though not entirely the same thing. It is in fact a little bit has a little bit strength. Okay, all right. We'll just wait here for the setup to show up before we can take any trade. Yeah, on the 5 minutes chart, what is going on? It looks actually look at how that flipped. But then again, you have all these signs of weakness, and then suddenly it might change. So waiting is the best thing to do here. Wait for a clean setup. If we get it, fine. If we don't get it, no trade. But if we get it, then we take a trade. That's what we're gonna do. So looking at the 4-hour chart here, this might be a beginning of a bullish trend up. At least it's looking like that in Nasdaq, but not in ES. There we go. All right, so the 5 minutes chart, the 15 minutes chart, we have a bearish movement here. Yeah, so I'm only interested in trying to catch the reversal of this trade, reversal of this movement here. That is what I'm only interested in. But it has to be, it has to be, it has to be. I want to see more reversal first. I want to see more downtrend. I'm not gonna start chasing it because overall the movement is to the upside. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so it's to the upside. So okay, look at that go. Right, nice. It's beautiful. Yeah, so it's probably gonna be going down here. Yeah, this is a good. This might be even a good entry too, but still gotta be careful because Yeah, because this is still leaning bearish at least for today. So, but on the overall trend, this might even be a good entry because the risk to reward is still somewhere up there. But anyway, you gotta be careful. So I'm not gonna take any trades. I'm gonna wait for more clarity on the price action. So I'm gonna just wait here and see. Damn. Oh God. Oh, all right. So I'm trying to anticipate what because if this is gonna flip to the upside, then you can have something like this, something like this, right? If it's going to be to the upside, but if you have to the downside, which is what we have here, which this, then we could have something like this. So then then you could have something like this, something like this. So this or this. Now if it's to the upside, even though you could have this, well, let's see, it's not even looking like this. So this is pretty much going out the window now, but not yet anyways. Might be this. So if it's gonna be this, then anywhere along the lines of going short, going long here, or perhaps even going long here. So going long here, or long anywhere along this line, and then yeah. So let's see what happens now. All right. In a way, I'm tempted to kind of go along, but that would be sort of a break of my my usual trading habits, and I don't want to do that. I want to see more clarity. I want to see more, more things happening on this chat before I can be able to. Yeah, it's tempting to go along here and put a stop here, but I don't like trades that, this here is a support that I might get taken, I might get broken. All right, I gotta take a look at the higher time frame chart to see what's going on here. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna stay out. I need more clarity on the charts. I need to see more stuff going on here. Okay, all right. So that's not even bad. Just looking at the daily chart here, trying to figure out what's going on. Yeah, I might go in for a trade. Um, I'm think I'm gonna go in for a long trade because I like what I'm seeing. But I want this to close first. This candle to close, then I'm gonna go in for a long trade. First of all, I want to take a look at that 5 minutes, and 1 minute. So yeah, this is yeah. If you look at this and you're trying to make a bearish case for it, it's very hard to see. It's very hard to say that. Even on a 5 minute chart, it's very hard to make a bearish case for it. Anyway, I'll wait for at least that candle to close before I can take any decision on the trades that I want to take. Because it's not gonna look like this. Actually, it may look like this. Um, mm, all right. So this is looking good. Though it's now going quick, faster than I would want to see. Okay, I gotta think about my entry anyways. What am I risking? Um, but the position that I'm gonna be going in is gonna be just a very light contract position, just to kind of to sort of test the waters there. And if I see more thing that I like, then I'm gonna get in more positions, put in more contracts. So I'm just gonna doing a quick math here. So I'm gonna be risking 7 points, or just about that. So which is $35. Yeah, it's just one contract. I want to see. So if I go in there, yeah, I'm gonna be going long. I like it. I like the trade. I like the reward versus the risk. I like it. Yeah, I do like it. So if I go in long here, or even here, my stop loss will be right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in.
Orders.
Stop loss will be here. My first take profit might be here, or even actually the profit should be somewhere here, to be honest. So I'm risking about 7 points to make this. I'm gonna add more contracts if I get clarity that this is gonna be going up. I'm gonna be adding more, more contracts. But I want to see a clean trend, or a clean change of direction. So what we have here is 62, 762, 75 minus 782 is 19. All right. I mean, the risk to reward is good. The risk to reward is really good. Again, I wouldn't be surprised too if it starts coming down, but it's totally fine if it does that. The risk to reward is beautiful. I love it. Yeah, before it gets, if it's gonna go up eventually, before it gets up here, it's gonna be a long trade. But it could also be quick, very quick too. That's the reason why I'm not putting in so much trade here. Just I just want to be on this trade to kind of see how it plays out. It's a good setup, no doubt. Setup is good. So let's see if it plays out there. And obviously, once get, if it starts going down, then that might mean that it might be a downtrend. But I wouldn't be jumping in on the downtrend, trying to chase it. I would be waiting for, for more clarity. Okay, so it's looking like it might be a downtrend. Because if this is gonna be an up, if it was gonna be an uptrend, then should have been going up right away. It should not be going down. It should be going up right away. Okay, so it's looking like this might be a downtrend for today. Okay, yeah, so this is looking like a downtrend.
Stop failed.
Yeah, that's a downtrend there. All right, that's fine. It's a downtrend. That's what it is. It's not an uptrend. But would I be interested in trying to chase this downtrend? I really don't think so. I want to see more clarity on the charts. I want to see more downtrend. Yeah, so I'm gonna be staying out. You know, I'm gonna be staying out for now, anyways. See what happens here. It looks like it might be a downtrend. That's what the trend is doing. It looks like it might be a downtrend. Yeah, it's looking like it might be a downtrend. That's what it looks like. Okay, all right, we'll wait and see. I may, I may enter again on. I'm tempted to go in long again here. I'm very tempted to go in long again. Look at this. Came out and took my stop, and then starts going up again. Even though it took the stop not by a lot. Yeah, I'm tempted to go in long again on this one. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm really tempted to go long on this trade again, but but only because it's a good risk to reward in terms of the target and the reward on the stop. My stop was just right here, and it came on top to the stop, and then it starts going up again. I don't know. Yeah, it's looking more and more like this, something like this, looking more and more like it. I have to let this go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in long again at some point. I wanna see, I wanna get more clarity now. I'm gonna definitely go in more long again. Oh, my crown. Wow. So going short, normally I would wanna go short, but going short, I don't. Yeah, not. I wouldn't think about going short when there was yesterday was like this. So and the day before that was now different. You know, Tuesday was like that. So this is an uptrend. We are basically an uptrend. So going short would not make any sense. Well, it might actually be a red day, but I wouldn't want to go short. I definitely would not want to go short. My expectation is that the price will continue going up, and normally, if it was going to be a red day, we would have seen a very severe downside, but we haven't seen that already. It may happen now, but it hasn't happened yet. So yeah, I'm not gonna go short. My My target is to go long, and that is my goal. I'm gonna be going long, not short. All right, so look at this. Yeah, normally I will be chasing the short, but no, I'm not gonna be. I'm not gonna be, not today. Not for today. I won't be chasing that for today. I let the downside do whatever it wants to do. Then I'll be looking for an uptrend, a reversal of the downside. So might be getting in somewhere here, and if I still want somewhere here along the line of here, if that's gonna happen. So, well, let's see. Not going to be chasing that. I don't want to be chasing that. I'm tempted to chase that though, but I don't think I want to be chasing that. Let me just stay out of that. It's lovely. So yeah, I'm definitely not chasing this. Yeah, there's gonna be more damage. Expecting to see more of that, so not chasing that. What I may be looking to get in is a long trade. That's the one thing I'm looking to get in here now is a long trade, but no short trade because the short trade, in terms of risk to reward, is not worth it for me. Hoping to get into a long trade either. I just don't.
It ain't a negotiation. Wow. It's a done deal signed delivered. McGregor, all right, will compete in the White House for UFC's 200. Hey, Mike.
All right, so look at that. Still my sell off there. Yeah, I'm not. I think it was better for me not to not to try and chase that. I mean, it looks good. It looks beautiful, but yeah, that's what I'm missing out on. It's totally fine. I don't mind that. It's just that I don't have confidence in it to be chasing it. That is the problem, because if I had confidence in it, I would be taking that trade. But I don't have confidence in it. So still waiting for a long trade. Is what I'm waiting for. What I want to take. See, this might be it. This might be it. Or maybe not. Yeah, compared to last week, this week's price action has been very bad. Has been really trash compared to last week for sure. The price action is very 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 bad. Nonetheless, yeah, it's been pretty much all over the place. Last week was very beautiful price action that I've seen. This week is really it's really all over the place. Intentionally, I kind of missed that downtrend, even though I should be chasing it, but I wanted to miss it. If you have something like this, and you know, and you're thinking of going short, not often would you see that playing out that way. So
Allah is not shy of the truth. We don't say that Islam is here to live, to coexist.
there we go. All right, I'm paying my attention now because this is getting to a point where I'm gonna be taking my trades, and I'm thinking how many contracts would I be putting on this trade? About five to six, not more than six, not at least not more than five. 105 because yeah, it's getting interesting. I'm gonna put in this to know what I am. This is 9. Okay, all right. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Um, yeah, this is way too fast. Crazy. I don't even know what to do. It's way too fast. My God, it's way too fast. Yeah, it's way too fast. Okay. I'm gonna go into. I'm gonna add more here. I just want to see what's going on the 5 minutes anyway. Okay, I'm gonna add more to it. I'm just gonna put a stop loss of 2 here just in case if this does some stupid shit. I wanna be so just kind of calculate that the so I'm thinking of adding one more. I may add one more to bring it to 5. Let's see. Let's see here. My risk is 751.50 minus 743.75. So I'm risking about $100 for these two contracts. Or $77. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna add more. It's crazy. This is going too fast. Okay, so I'm gonna have to protect my profits. Absolutely gonna have to protect my profits. I'm gonna put this right here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to protect that. Yeah, it's going way too fast. That you know, yeah, it's going way too fast. Let me see. Let me see. It's going way too fast. If it takes at that stop, I may go again. I may just go in again.
Stop filled.
There we go. Took it out. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in again.
Order canceled.
Oh my God, what's going on? Oh, what's going on? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to close this because there's no stop loss here. I don't know what happened there. Uh, I need to have a stop loss. Yeah. Okay, so and I'm gonna need to close at least one. Bye. Yeah. Well, it took out my stop loss, and the whole thing is just disorganized right now. So I'm down 5 points on these. Yeah, I'm gonna need to close out this because there's no stop loss, and I don't trade like that. Um, yeah, that was way too fast. I think I probably would expect that. Yeah, if it starts, since now my stop loss is gone because of some sort of glitch on this. If it starts going down here, it gets to this point, I'm gonna have to take out two contracts and just hold the rest there. Yeah, that was way too quick. That was way too quick. So I may have to take out 2 contracts because I want to see what's going on here. Because that is, this is not very safe. It's not very safe. I'm not expecting that, but I'm gonna add it back up again. So I'm gonna take out 2 contracts here. I'm not sure what this is. This is here. Yeah, that's crazy. So what I'm expecting to see is I want to see it sort of. So if it starts going down, I'm gonna take out 2 positions, 2 contracts here. I'll take it out, and then watch what happens. But if it starts going up, I may have to let go at 38.2. Though I'm without, because I don't have my stuff. I want to see get to 50, if not even more than that, to be honest. Yeah. Suddenly it's now, man, move. I wonder what's going on in the 1 minute chat. Yeah, I mean those 1 minute is looking like it might be going to the upside. But we'll see what happens here. All right, let's go. Push up. Let's go. 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 Let's go to the upside. Let's go. 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 And I couldn't even tell what happened there. That's a 5 minute. Let's go. 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 I think thinking it should be here. And when this closes on the green, then I can put it up there. Should be messing up with my stop loss anyway, but man, what a day, man. This is not you know, it might be a good day, but let's see. I want that candle to close green on 15 minutes. Beautiful. I want to see this push up very good. Beautiful. Let's go. Beautiful. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I wonder what's going on under 5 minutes. Okay, that's doing good. But what about 15 minutes? The 1 minute. Yeah. I don't know what is going on here, man. It's good and then it's not good. It's good and then it's not good. Anyway, once this candle closes green, then I'm gonna put my stop on that here. That's totally fine. Yeah, I'm gonna put my stop right here. So whatever happens here happens, you know. If it starts coming down, whatever happens happens. So still gonna have to maintain the risk management because my one stop right here, then 2 more stops right here, just in case if it starts coming down. I'm gonna have to take out 2 contracts here because I don't know what is going on here. It's you know, it's in a way weird, very weird day. It's really, really weird. I don't know what is going on. Yeah, it is indeed a weird day. I don't know what's going on. It should be going up, and then it does this and starts coming down. That's fine. I still maintain my risk management. That's just as simple as that. Yeah, it is indeed a weird day. Man, this week has been very weird. Yeah, what a weird stuff. What a really weird stuff. Man, really, I haven't seen something. I haven't seen price action so weird like this, man. This is crazy. Wow. Yeah, so it's coming for that stop loss. Well, that's fine. You can take it out. Man, yeah. I guess all I have to do is wait. Um,
Stop filled.
Yeah, all right. So I'm gonna have to take out two more positions here. Nope. Fuck.
Order canceled.
What am I doing?
Order canceled.
I don't even know what this thing is doing here today, man. I don't even know what it's doing. Yeah, I'm gonna take out that because, you know, yeah, I really don't know. This stop loss really messed me up, you know, put a stop loss and suddenly, you know, it's all messed up. It's gone and I don't even know what's going on. So, you know, it's what it is. Okay, I did realize most of the loss at, you know, there's a loss at $200. That's probably the biggest loss that I've had in a while. But I'm in a way I'm pissed off because, you know, I put a stop loss, try to get in on a trade, and you can see it's all messy now with this thing, and also with the price not even doing what normally it would do. So I'm gonna try to get in about two more contracts, or at least one more contract. So today might look like today might be a break even day. Definitely not a day in profit, but that's totally fine. I don't mind that. That's absolutely fine. You know, profit day, break even day is totally fine. Look at this stuff. Look at this. Can't you look at this? All right. Now I'm not even sure what to do now. I'm gonna add in one more. I'm gonna add in one more contract. I want to add in one more. I want to bring it down to 4. Today is not gonna be a profit day. That's one thing for sure. Today is gonna be a break-even day for me. It may not even be that. It may just even be just a loss, to be honest. I was not expecting this. Today did not go as I planned it to go, but that's fine. I'm trying to see what is this? What's going on here? Yeah, what a weird day. What a weird day indeed. My God, I don't even know what to do here. Okay, I'm gonna make that 4 and just leave that as it is. 4 contracts. I'm gonna bring one contract, or just to kind of bring it to break even. Yeah, man, what a weird day. Wow. I have never seen. I don't even know what's going on here. I think I'm just gonna be sort of cautious from here on. Like what is this? Yeah, this is weird. This is really weird, man. Yeah, this is really, really weird. What is this? Okay, I think I'm just gonna have to. I wanna take this for trades. This is. What is this? Let's wait till this closes, shall we? Okay, so I think I'm making a kind of a mistake here. I need to have just 3 contracts. Then I can add the one more contract when I. Okay, so if this is gonna be green, I think I'm gonna have to do something, which is to put. Just to put this one stop right here. Right, so just in case if it starts doing something else, I don't know about. Right, yeah, man, today is nothing but. It's nothing but a very stressful day, honestly. Just look at all that stuff. It's nothing but a very, very stressful day, to be honest.
Stop failed.
Okay. Wow. So the stop loss got taken again. Man, what a day, man. I think I'm just gonna leave it at this for now. Trade contracts, not trying to force that trade. But this pisses me off. Yeah, what a day. Man, this pisses me off, man. It really does piss me off. Yeah, what a day, man. There we go. It's down going up. Okay. I'm going to do this. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't try to force this trade, honestly. Maybe I shouldn't try to force it. But it doesn't. If it doesn't want to go up, because I'm like right now, it looks like I'm forcing it. That's what it looks like, right? Yeah, I don't really like it the way it is. It's not moving. Man, today is today is not just a very stressful day. You know, it should not be this stressful to be trading like this. You know, I don't like trading like that, to be honest. It should not be this stressful, man. It really should not. Okay, I'm gonna put this stop here. If it takes it out, you know, it takes it out, right? So I may not want to try to, you know, go in again. There we go. Push up, man. Push up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Please, let's go. Let's go. If it ever comes down again and hit that stop loss, then I'm gonna leave it at just trade contracts. I'm not gonna try to, you know, force that trade again. I don't want to force it again. Meanwhile, I'm going to. Whew, man, what a day, man. What a day. Yeah, if he takes it out again, I'm not going to. If he takes out the stop here, I'm not going to add more. I'm just gonna leave it like this with three contracts to understand what is going on. I'm not gonna add more contracts because today is already messed up. All right. All right. Let's go. 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 I'm gonna have to take out one here. Man, this thing is pissing me off because look at it's really pissing me off. Yeah, instead of today being a profitable day, is it might end up even be as kind of it might end up being a break-even day or even a loss because of other stuff. All right, let's go. I'm gonna take out one here.
Target filled.
All right, perfect. So this one I'm gonna put down here. So I'm gonna put down here. I want to see. Beautiful. Let's go. 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 One more here. Let's go, 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 let's go. Yeah, today is not a very good day, honestly. It's not a today could have been a very good day for me, but system error and everything, it just makes it messed up. Anyway, I gotta be at something else, so I'm gonna have to end the stream at some point, and I have to head out to what I need to be doing today and to get it done. Tomorrow is a day, so that's it. Thinking that today would be a profitable day for me, but no, it's not gonna happen. I don't think it's gonna happen. All right, beautiful. I want to sell one. I want to sell. Yeah, so that's good. So kind of bring that thing down a little bit there. Yeah, today is just a break even day, you know, whatever. And I want to sell one more there and just let this one ride out. All right, so sold one more there. Um, yeah, that is crazy. That's a crazy day. It's a crazy, uh, crazy upside, crazy reversal there. I want to see if it's gonna carry through. If it does, I'm gonna close out and just call it a day. I think whatever it does now, I think I'm probably done for today. Honestly, um, yeah, removing that stop loss will be just a wishful thinking. But hey, I mean, it could happen. It could very well happen. Um, I'm gonna have to end the stream at some point because I have to be somewhere. Pretty close. I'm gonna have to end the stream pretty close now. Today should have been a very beautiful, profitable day, but the issue with the stop loss and all that stuff kind of messed me up a little bit, and also the price action was not as clean, was not as smooth. So that is another thing too. Uh, yeah, but that's that. Okay, I already taken profits where I should have taken profits. What I though more, I probably could have added more contract, but today is not a clean day. It's not a very clean day with all the stuff happening here, so it's totally fine. Um, All right. I'm gonna have to end this stream here because you know, pretty much done for today. I may take another trade in the afternoon if the opportunity is there, but I think I'm done here for today. You know, pretty much break even. I guess a tiny loss. That's what it is. Let's say if there's another opportunity that presents itself in the noon time, if it does, then I'll take it. If not, then today is what it is. Tomorrow there's another day. Tomorrow is another day. Next week, so we'll see what happens. So I'm good. All right. I'm in the stream now. I hope you have a very